KB5094126, update not installing error code 0x80240008 in Windows 11 is commonly caused by Windows Update services being interrupted, disabled, or unable to communicate properly with the update infrastructure. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/Scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wserv. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Type net start woo serve. Type net start crypt svc. Type net start bits. Type net start msi server. Type exit, and then press enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.